Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's mixed media art journal page project, I will be using this embossing folder. It's from Sizzix. It's a 3D texture embossing folder, and I'll be using some stamps from Distress Oxide. I'll be using this watercolor paper, and then distress sprays and other stuff. So let's get started. So I am using this watercolor paper, and I'm spraying some water on that, and then I'm going to emboss this, and then I'll be back. Now that it's beautifully embossed and it looks beautiful, so I'm going to use Distress Oxide pads, and I'm going to color it. I'm going to mention all those products which I use in the description box below. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button, bell button, and turn on the notification bell so you can see my new videos as I post it. So I'm using like 3 different colors, and then I'm spraying water. Now I'm heat drying it. Now I'm going to tear those paper, and then I'm going to stick in different areas. But before I stick on that, I have to make the background ready. So I'm using these Distress Oxide sprays. And then I'm spraying some water. I'm going to heat dry it, and then again I'm using the different color. Now that it's all dry, I'm using gesso on the top. Now after putting the gesso, I'm using this spellbinder stamp. Now I'm using Stampus anonymous stamps to give texture in the background. Now I'm going to stick all those embossing paper. I'm using gel medium for that. Now I'm using this new color crayons, and I'm going to color it and blend it with the background. I'm just darkening some of the areas and coloring it. I'm blending all together for the page. Now I'm going to stamp for the focal point. After stamping, I'm going to do the fussy cutting. I have prepared some of those ahead. So now I'm just going to color the edges, and I'm still using neo color crayons. I'm using my Posca pens and I'm going to splatter it. And I'm trying to do with the black Posca pen also similar way. Now I'm stamping the coat. I'm going to now put all those flowers as a focal point. Now I'm sticking all those flowers. And hey, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell button, turn on the notification bell so you can see new videos of mine whenever I post it. I try to post once a week so you can get those notifications. So now I'm going to put this butterfly. just using a glossy accent on the words. And then on the leaves also I'm adding some glossy accents. So this finishes my project. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. At the same time, click on the bell button and then turn on the notification bell. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next project with new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.